Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel and Radha online classes. Today I am going to take class 7th and the chapter we are doing is 13th chapter, that is of NCERT book, and exponent and powers. Okay, in my earlier video I just tell you about what laws of exponent आपने सारा कर लिया. With the help of example I told you, so we can start now exercise 13.2 of your book. You can get each and every part in this video, so वीडियो को पूरा देखें और इस चीज को अच्छे से समझे. If you are getting any doubt, then please write in the comment box. Okay, let's start. See question number 1 of exercise 13.2. Using law of exponent, you have to use the law of exponent and simplify and write each answer in exponential form. They want answer in exponential form, means powers form में ही आंसर चाहिए, right? सबसे पहला पार्ट है 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 8. What is our law? By using law a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, that is equal to a m plus n. By using law this, क्या करेंगे? 3 raised to the power 2, say 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 8. So here children, this is what. So by using this identity you can write 3 the base common और इसके exponents को we will add. What are the exponents here? 2 plus what? 4 plus what? 8, right? So it will be 3. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 8 is, or 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14. So this is 3 raised to the power 14. We want in exponential form the answer. The answer is what? Answer is 3 raised to the power 14. So children, in this way, by using the law, we can do the first one part. Let's come to its second part. See children, here is the second part. 6 raised to the power 15 divided by 6 raised to the power 10. Here division वाली identity हम लगाएंगे. That law, what is that law? By using the law, which one? That a to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, that is equal to powers are getting subtracted. Yes, powers are getting subtracted. So write down this 6 raised to the power 15 divided by 6 raised to the power 10, that is equal to 6 power is 15 minus करेंगे 10 को, will get what? 6 raised to the power 5. So here is our answer. Let's come to third part children. See children, here is another question, that is 8 to the power 3 means a cube into a ka square, that will be equal to, you can directly also do it. Write a, this is 3 into है तो क्या करेंगे? प्लस करेंगे. In the bracket write down the law, that is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a m plus n. You can write in the bracket this one and do this. Okay, a raised to the power 3 plus 2 is what? 5. So our answer is what? A raised to the power 5. Let's come to its fourth part. See, the fourth one part is given 7 raised to the power x into 7 raised to the power 2. Yes, this is the question. So it will be again, you can see bases are same and powers are different. That means what we have to do? We have to add the powers. Okay, but in bracket you have to write the law also, as they have given by using law of exponent. So which law we are using? A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, that is equal to m plus n. So you have to write it always. Okay, so this is the answer is this only. Why? Because x is a variable. X variable है तो इसके साथ add करेंगे, it will be like this only. Let's come to the next. See children, here is your fifth part, that is 5 raised to the power 2 and the whole bracket cube, okay, divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now see, firstly what we have to do, we have to remove the bracket. So we are using which identity, that is 2 into 3. Which identity we have used, we have to write here in the bracket that we are using identity a raised to the power m and whole n, that is equal to a m into n. Yes, this one. So you have to write that in the bracket which identity you have used. Now after this, what is the answer of this? 5 raised to the power 6 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now again, which identity? See, the bases are same, exponents are different. That means we have to subtract the powers. So in the next step you will do 6 minus 5. Here which identity we have used, right in the bracket, that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, that is equal to a m minus n. We have done over here. So what is our answer children? See, it is 5 raised to the power 6 minus 5 is 1. No need to write 1. If only you are writing 5, that is also the correct answer. Right children? So in this way you have to do. Let's come to its sixth part. See children, here is your sixth part, that is 2 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 5. Now you can see the bases are different. Now the bases are different and powers are same. That means what we have to do, what we are doing, we are using which formula, which law we are using. By using, you can write by using what? A raised to the power m into b raised to the power m, that is equal to what? A into b raised to the power m. M is common, we have taken the power common and we will do multiplication of a and b, means the bases. So write down this. This is 2 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 5. What we will do? We will multiply 2 into 5 and the exponent of the power is common. Okay. So it is 2 5s are 10. 10 raised to the power 5. This is our answer. So in this way you have to do, when bases are different, power is same, then what we have to do, we have to multiply the bases and by taking exponent and power, what? Common. Okay. Let's come to seventh part. This is again, you can see here again our power is same and the bases are different. So what we'll do, we are going to multiply the bases and taking the law is used is a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equal to a into b raised to the power m. So this is equal to ab raised to the power 4. Right children? So in this way we have done 7th question. Come to 8th part. 8, 9 and 10 is left. See children, here is your 8th part, that is 3 raised to the power 4 whole bracket 3. Okay. So how you will do this? 3, 4 into 3. Here which identity, which law we have used, that is a m whole n, that is equal to a m into n. Powers are getting multiplied. Okay. So just keep in mind this law. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 3 4s is 12. So what is our answer? 3 raised to the power 12. Let's come to the next. This is 2 raised to the power 20. Okay, 2 raised to the power 20 divided by 2 raised to the power 15 into 2 raised to the power 3. We can do this. Firstly, we have to remove the bracket. So for bracket, what we are doing, division here, bases are same. What we'll do? We are going to subtract the exponent. Yes, into 2 raised to the power 3. So firstly, we have used the law, that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a m minus n. This identity we have used first. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power what? 5 into 2 raised to the power 3. Now which identity we are going to use? See, in the next step we are going to use 2, 5 plus 2. Why? Because bases are same. तो पावर्स अगर डिफरेंट है, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग एडिशन. हम इन पावर्स को ऐड कर देंगे by using which law? A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, that is equal to a m into n, not m into n, m plus n. Okay, that is equal to 2 raised to the power what? 7. So what is our answer? 2 raised to the power 7. Its answer is 2 raised to the power 7. Right? So children, in this way you have to do the question. One question is left, one part is left. Just, or you can do it by yourself, that is 8 raised to the power t divided by 8 raised to the power 2. Okay, means division is there. That means what you have to do? You have to subtract the powers. Why? Because division is there and bases are same. So in this way we have completed question number 1. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new question. Till then, goodbye children. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.